to this series on proofs in propositional logic. Today we have the argument 1, premise 1. It is both the case that E and G. Premise 2 states that if it is either the case that E or K, then H is the case. Therefore, E and H are both the case. Now let's prove this. So if we have E and G, then obviously E itself is true. And this we get by simplification, line 1. Now another deduction that we can make is that if E is the case, then E or K is the case. That's a rule called addition. It's a little unintuitive for some people because we take a very exclusive interpretation of the statement or, but whereas or in logic is usually inclusive. So it just means at least one is true. So it is actually true that either I am making a logic video right now, or that 2 plus 2 equals 5. A little strange for people, but that's in formal logic, that statement is in fact true, just for those of you that aren't familiar with it. So now that we have E is the case, and we can say E or K is the case. Line 3, addition. All right, and now that we know that E or K is the case, and look at that. If it's either the case that E or K, then H is the case. So we can combine lines 2 and 4 to yield H via modus ponens. So H, our justification, as previously mentioned, was lines 2 and 4, modus ponens. And now look at that. We know E is the case. We know H is the case. Therefore, we know that E and H is the case. And we got that from lines 3 and 5 by conjunction. And there we go. We just proved that from the premises E and G, and 2, E or K implies H, that therefore E and H must both be true at the same time. And now that we've proved that, for a little stylistic flourish, let us add, to show that we've completed our task, QED. Quod erat demonstrandum. I'll see you guys next time.